Facebook Messenger boasts over 1.3 billion monthly active users, making it a prime channel to connect with potential customers. Here's how a Facebook chatbot can increase your sales and profits. Unlike human staff, chatbots can answer customer queries and process orders anytime, even outside business hours. This immediate response keeps customers engaged and can lead to faster conversions. Chatbots can collect customer data and preferences, allowing them to tailor product recommendations and answer questions relevant to the user's needs. This personalized touch can increase customer satisfaction and buying confidence. Chatbots can guide customers through the sales funnel by offering product information, handling simple transactions, and collecting leads for more complex sales. This streamlines the buying process and reduces cart abandonment. Here's a simplified look at creating a Facebook chatbot using SendPulse. Create a SendPulse account or log in. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. Navigate to the chatbot section. Click Connect or Add Bot and choose Facebook Messenger. You'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account and grant SendPulse access to manage your Messenger communication. SendPulse offers a visual flowchart builder. Drag and drop message elements like text, buttons, and images to create a conversation flow for your bot. You can set triggers based on keywords users type or buttons they click. Craft clear and concise messages for your chatbot. Use greetings, answer common questions, and offer product information. Include buttons for users to navigate the conversation and take the desired actions. Before unleashing your bot on the world, thoroughly test the conversation flow to ensure it functions smoothly. Once satisfied, activate your chatbot, and it will be ready to interact with your Facebook Messenger audience. By leveraging the power of chatbots, you can automate tasks, personalize customer interactions, and ultimately drive sales and profits for your business. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse.